Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and who doesn't want a white, dazzling smile? I know I do. And that's why I like this 3M Clinpro toothpaste. Now, this does such a good job. It was so highly recommended, and it helps fight against cavities. It helps reverse any white spots that start forming on your teeth. And it also whitens your teeth. But what's really nice is that usually when you're using whitening toothpaste, it's very abrasive, but this actually is low abrasive. So it does a great job whitening your teeth, but not tearing apart that enamel that is protecting your tooth health. You don't want to whiten your teeth if it's going to risk the overall health of your mouth. That's just not acceptable. I think it is a great, affordable, high-quality toothpaste, and I love the flavor. I think it's a very unique flavor, vanilla mint, and that's my point of view.